Hi, my name is I'm Ivy, and our company is Dongguan Joshua Industrial Co Limited.
And JFT is your brand?
Oh yeah, JFT is our brand.
So what is this?
That's our massage seat cushion with heating function.
How does it feel?
When you sit on our massage cushion, you can feel the airflow between every single airbags. It's pretty soft and gentle to help you with your circulation.
And it's actually healthy?
Yeah, it's healthy. Our products are more like medical and healthcare products. Yeah.
Because some people actually, for the job, they have to sit all day in the office.
Yeah, like those kind of people, like graphic designer.
And you help with them?
Yeah.
But if they sit all day on this, is it going to break or it's going to stay good forever?
It's like it can reduce the pressure.
It reduces the pressure?
Yeah.
All right. Let me just 1 second. I'll sit here, right here.
Okay, maybe this one.
So I sit on this.
Okay.
Ooh, it feels good. Oh, it's vibrating. All right.
And you can feel the airflow.
Okay. Hey, what is this one?
This one just regular seat cushion.
Nice. Why do you make design like this?
Because some people like the smaller airbag, but someone prefer the big airbag.
And some want this style?
Yeah. Different material. Yes.
It depends on the size of the person, right?
Yeah. Some people like the higher one, but some people they don't. Yeah.
What is a dog like?
Yeah, that's the dog lash.
So you have little pillows for the dog?
Yeah. Also airbags. It can protect the neck of the dogs. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you can check it.
But it goes inside the dog like this?
Yes, inside.
And then the dog is not feeling too much pressure.
Yeah, when they
when you pull.
Yeah.
So it's more soft. Is this also for dog?
That one is for the camera. You know?
Oh wow.
Camera.
So it's helped take the pressure off.
Yeah.
Distribute the pressure. What is this one for?
Also for the small dog.
Wow, small dog.
Yeah.
It looks like airbag also. Maybe your dog only has one eye and it's always running into the wall.
Yes.
And so maybe you want to protect the dog a little bit.
Yeah, and that's for backpack. When you carry a very heavy backpack, you need this.
How good is this?
Yes. Maybe you can try to feel it later.
Yeah, let me try now.
Okay.
Okay, let's put it just under here.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be precise, just to have a feel. Okay, let me feel like this. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, my bag just became half the weight. It's just half the weight already. Nice. Now I can carry 40 kilos at the check-in.
It's more lighter, right?
Yeah, that's very good. All right.
Let's take this one first.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's also one here.
Okay.
And what is this helmet?
This helmet is just for protection. When you do the very strong, like American football or
Taekwondo, karate. Yeah. Wow, that's a protection.
And that one.
Or maybe somebody who's a little bit like drunk, and to protect them from not falling from the bar stool.
Yeah.
Right?
And that one also airbag for your knee.
Interesting. Is your company invent this? Is that your invention?
Oh, yeah. All our products are all airbags.
You put airbags on the shoes?
Yeah, you can press it, right?
How's compared with Nike Air?
It's like the air coming here and come out here. Press it.
Every time you walk, it's in, out, every time?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How about
and also that one for the car pillow. When you're driving in the car, you can use the car pillow.
Here's a stronger part, here's a softer part.
Yeah. And also another function, you can press here to deflate.
Deflate. Oh, the air comes out.
Yes, and press here to inflate, like the palm. It's quite
pumping it up.
interesting, right?
Wow.
Yeah, let me show you. Right, you press
So now
here.
it's empty.
Yes,
You
by
pump it
pressing
up.
here.
Wow, it's pumping everything.
Yes,
Where does this go? What is this for? Ah, it's for the.
adjust the air amount.
That's the one you just used for the backpack.
Yeah, for the backpack. And anti-slip base.
Wow, this is cool stuff. How much is retail price for this?
There's around like $10 or $50. 15,
How long time
I
your
think.
company do this business?
Since 2013.
And also, some of these, do they also have pumps? How do you
yeah.
fill it up again?
You
Also
need
push,
it-
push, push.
Yeah.
Ah, you put
can
the
use
pump
your
there.
mouth or you can use the palm. Let me show you.
Use the pump. How long it take to fill it up?
Oh, not the right.
Not the right size.
Yeah, let me check.
So it's take like 1 minute or how long?
Yeah.
Oh, I see slowly it's coming.
Yes.
It's filling up. Nice. And then after
Yes.
it's just a nice pillow, air
Yeah,
cushion.
And you plug it.
And now when you sit on it, it's like you're
and
flying.
this one also has the inflate and deflate function. You can press here to inflate.
Oh, you can pump it there also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
There are
Oh,
two.
it's full now.
Yes, yes.
Oh wow, you just pushed it a little bit and it's completely full. And you can use this to sleep on it? You have like big mattress. How does it work?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's our massage mattress.
Massage?
As you can see, that's the electric pump. Yeah, have different strong and middle.
How good is the massage?
Also the same with the massage circulation.
So the vibration?
The airflow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's moving
It's moving.
and then you can fold it down and then you can put it in the cupboard and put it out when you need it.
Yes, yes. And we also have the leg massager. As you can see, the airbag here.
So it's make pressure on the leg.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. After you go to the gym and play football after, you can use it to release the pain and relax your muscle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your company very famous or?
In this industry, I have to say yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
What does this one do?
They just support your lower back without a massage function, just for support.
Is it using air or it's not air?
Yeah, air.
With air.
Yes,
So you use air for health.
yes. And also, like steel
Also
for
metallic.
support. Yeah.
Oh. All right.
You can put it like this, then,
Yeah.
okay, sorry.
Then it
Then
will
you
be
can
good
support
for the.
your lower back.
All right. And I guess you have a lot of customers are very happy with your technology.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Honestly, a lot of people have experienced our products and they say, oh, I like it very much. That's really nice.
Where's your factory?
Our factory is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection, HDMI technology. Connect the future today.